Hi, this is a short video to tell you about another exclusive for our Pro tier Patreon members. This is the Kiwi trading robot. This is available for Metatrader 4 and it trades the Kiwi dollar Forex pair, hence why we're calling it the Kiwi. It does this in the 15-minute time frame. Each trade has a set 40 pip stop and a 40 pip take profit, and each trade is independent. It does not use any dangerous trading techniques such as martingale, grid or hedging. This trading robot uses the Keltner channels indicator and moving averages for entries as well as exits. And as my trading robots favor quality over quantity, this works best with other trading robots I've released such as GU Scalp, Enzo and Casper. So don't forget, to get the best results, always use a regulated broker and a quality VPS provider. I've provided my recommended broker and VPS provider in the description box below. So on to the back tests. Starting in 2018 until the end of 2020, a 2-year time frame, we've returned 80% with an 8.5% drawdown. The win rate is around 60% and the profit factor is 1.3. With this trading robot, you can of course change the trade size settings in percentage or fixed lot terms if you want larger or low risk for larger or lower returns. I am trading this in the Mr. Allen Forex portfolio. You can see this in the link on the screen. The link will take you to the combined portfolio, but if you click on the custom analysis button on the MyFXbook page and you filter by magic number, 439112 will isolate this trading robot and you should see the results just like on the screen. Since the 6th of October in our live account, it's attributed a 22% increase on our account, amounting to 636 pips in 92 trades with a profit factor of 1.38. If you are interested in following our managed portfolio, you can do so through the link on the screen. This contains a selection of trading robots including the Kiwi and others I've mentioned, all are available to our Patreons. So you can download the Kiwi right away from the link on the screen. You do need to be a Pro tier Patreon though. So what is our membership site about? It's a paid subscription site where you can get access to new optimizations or set files for review trading robots as a standard member tier member. With Pro tier, you can also get trading robots such as the Kiwi. Recently, we've also been releasing new beta trading robots for testing. These are all fully unlocked and just need new members to test them. Anyway, this is a short video to let you know about the Kiwi. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you at our next video.